Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your Shopify store step by step so you can save time, reduce manual work, and scale your business efficiently in 2026. Automation is a game changer for e-commerce. It allows you to focus on growing your business instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks like order processing, inventory updates, and marketing campaigns. So, yeah, setting up automation properly can make your store run smoothly. Start by exploring Shopify's built-in automation tools. From the admin dashboard, click on Settings and then Automation or Flow. Shopify Flow allows you to create automated workflows based on triggers and actions, such as tagging high value customers or notifying staff when an order is placed. Next, integrate third party apps for specific tasks. For example, use apps to automate email marketing, abandoned cart recovery, or order tracking updates. These apps connect directly with your store and reduce manual follow ups. Set up inventory automation. Products can be automatically restocked, low stock alerts sent, and out of stock items hidden from your store. This prevents overselling and keeps customers satisfied. Automate your marketing efforts. Schedule social media posts, set up automated discount campaigns, and trigger email notifications for new products or promotions. Automation ensures consistent engagement without extra effort. Monitor your workflows regularly. Even though tasks are automated, occasional checks help identify any glitches or opportunities for improvement. Analytics reports also help you see which automated workflows drive the most results. Finally, combine multiple automation strategies. From order management to customer retention and marketing, a fully automated store allows you to scale efficiently and maintain high customer satisfaction. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.